In this video, we'll be talking about 2 ways you can make money using Canva. First, you need to go on Canva and sign up for an account, and this is free and easy to do. After you sign up, you'll then have access to thousands of pictures, videos, and templates you can use for free. The first way you can make money on Canva is by selling digital products. And Canva has templates for any digital product you want to create, and you can customize them to your liking. And this can work in all niches such as health, beauty, fitness, and the pet niche. And here are some examples of digital products you can sell. The first product is a 30-day self-care challenge, which is really good if you're in the beauty niche. The second product is really good if you're in the travel niche. And the third product is really good if you're in the health and fitness niche. And take note, if you're using the Canva templates, you need to make it unique as your own in order to sell them. So you can change the color, text, or design of the template. Or you can create a new design from scratch. Once you create your product, you have to list it on a website called BitCartel. You first need to make an account, and this website is free as long as you have under 5 products. And once you upload your digital file of your product, you can add a description and price. And once a customer purchases the item, they'll be able to download the file. You then need to market your digital products by creating videos about them on all social media platforms. So you need to upload videos on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, on TikTok as TikToks, on Instagram as Instagram Reels, on Pinterest as Idea Pins, and on Facebook as Facebook Reels. The second way to make money on Canva is by creating videos and adding an affiliate link. And you can create videos using Canva in any niche. You just need to pick the videos you think are the best for you and combine them together to your liking. You can also add text and record a voiceover on Canva. And make sure that you have an affiliate link before creating your videos. And you can sign up for any affiliate program in your niche such as ClickBank and/or Amazon Associates. Once you finish creating your videos, you can post them on all of your social media accounts. So you post them on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, on TikTok as TikToks, on Instagram as Instagram Reels, on Pinterest as Idea Pins, and on Facebook as Facebook Reels. And make sure you add your affiliate links in your bio of your Instagram account, TikTok, and Pinterest. Then post a comment of your affiliate link after posting each video on your YouTube and Facebook account. For example, if you are in the animal niche, you can create videos about the best pets for children, the worst foods to feed ducks, signs your dog loves you, the best foods to feed cats, and how to make a cat like you. And if you want to know the best YouTube channel ideas that will make you rich, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.